Okay, so bad news today, no drive shaft. They can't work on it until Monday, so Dad's working on the shifter.
Okay, this is the shifter cable here that shifts the transmission.
Yeah.
I had to make this bracket, and this pipe is welded into the bracket for a stiffener
Okay.
on the cable.
Yeah.
And then these two screws here and this angle are slotted to clamp the cable to the bracket.
Okay.
But it's made so everything can come apart.
Okay.
And now I'm going to make the rod from here to the transmission shifter.
Okay.
And then we're away.
Back here.
Yeah.
Around here. Yeah.
Okay, now this is how the cable works.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I see it.
That's
Okay,
low.
again. Yeah.
That's number 2. That's
Okay.
drive. That's neutral. Reverse.
Perfect.
And park.
Perfect. And so.
Then the shifter's on the dash if you want to come over here and get it. What the shifter looks like when it's on there.
Okay.
And this is also a safety feature. You can't pull it into gear without pushing the lever towards the driver, eh?
Yeah. Okay.
Reverse, neutral.
There you go. So, just shift the work when you don't have the parts.
No. So I got yokes and stuff like that all ready for a shifter.
Okay.
I just got to make up the rod now, but I'm pretty well done for the day.
Okay. And Schooner, Shop Dog, visiting today. Hi, Schooner. Waiting on parts, so we're doing a little bit of cleanup around here. Sweeping up the piles of dirt. Got some stuff thrown here. We got Harley, Shop Dog, is visiting today. Hi, Harl. And there's our #1 volunteer, Steve. Hey, Steve, say hello.
Hello.
Steve's helped us with the cleanup here. We're just gonna like go around the shop and just, toss out trash and whatnot. We got a lot of stuff that has to be done here. It's not a one-day job. But Steve's actually got quite a bit going on here, and Harley's really happy at the shop. Hey, Harl. So you did a bunch of cleaning today. Swept up the shop, put some tools away. What else did you get done today?
I'll get a flashlight and I'll show you.
Okay.
We got the shifter installed, and I'm going to explain something to you. You see the shifter is on the dash there.
Yeah.
Well, when that shifter come out of a vehicle, the motor is in the front and the transmission is here.
Okay.
So the cable has to be changed reverse because,
Okay. Yeah.
and this is what they call a T-bar. That allows the rod to go the opposite direction to from the factory.
Okay.
And that's what makes the shifting.
Okay.
It's in park right now. I'll give you this light.
Sure.
And I'll move it and you'll see.
Okay. So how long did it take you to make this T-bar?
Putting your whole day.
Oh, wow.
That's reverse,
Okay.
neutral,
Yeah.
drive,
Yeah.
drive 2,
Yeah.
drive 1.
Okay.
Back to park. It takes a lot of fitting because the T-bar has to be accurate on the travel. Plus you have to have, it's mounted on the floorboard, so I have to put some stiffeners in there.
I see that. Yeah.
So it doesn't move.
Okay. So this isn't something you buy off the shelf. You have to build it, right?
You got to make it.
Yeah. Okay.
And right here, the cable has a metal cover on it with a slot. So this cover here is anchoring that slot so the cable doesn't move.
Okay.
And this is just a guide to hold the rod and whatnot.
Yeah.
It's welded for a guide. Eh?
Okay.
Now there's adjustment on all of these connections here. Eh?
What's the adjustment for?
Well, just in case you're 16th or 32nd of an inch out,
Yeah.
you can adjust it and put the pin back in.
Okay, fair enough. So how much wear do you expect on this?
No,
over
this
time?
should be good now.
Okay.
The only thing is, in the future, if somebody's fooling around here, you can't start stepping on that stuff
Yeah.
or you'll bend it. Eh?
Okay.
Chunk of iron bolted on here, so I cut that off.
Okay. I thought you were putting in a new bumper here.
This is new.
Oh.
What we done is we cut the pipes here.
Yeah.
This is 3/8 of an inch thick,
Okay.
and it's fit in tight, welded, and then reinforced in underneath.
Okay, I see that.
And welded on both sides. And this is his D-ring, in case he wants to pull something.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to leave this open. The snow builds up here, and you can let the snow out on both sides.
Okay.
And I got a hot tip.
Oh, what's the hot tip?
Well, for some of these guys that are owning bombardiers and whatnot, say you want a little adjustment on the timing,
Yeah.
or you have electrical problems and you don't know how to solve it. What you do is you get a 26 of good quality rum.
Okay.
And
Good quality, not
yeah.
not the crappy rum, the good one.
Not that cheap shit.
Okay.
And then some Pepsi that is regular Pepsi.
Yeah.
And then you phone your friend, which it could be a man or a woman,
Yeah.
and you invite them over for a visit.
Yeah.
And then after they have a drink or two,
Yeah.
then you bring your problem out in the open.
Yeah.
And usually it works out pretty good. They'll fix your problem for nothing.
Or the quality rum, anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they'll have the rum first, but they'll usually dive in and
Yeah.
fix the problem that you got.
Okay. So you heard it here first. We do like what's Bacardi Gold?
Yeah.
Anything that's maybe 20-year-old or more.
4-year-old Bacardis. Yeah.
Well, 4-year-old is on the bottom end, I would say. But yeah, okay. Well, so there you go. You have cleaning today in the shop. We got a lot more stuff to get rid of out of here, but it's actually
We're still waiting for parts.
it's a Sunday right now when we're filming this, and we're still waiting on parts. But we got all the tools put away, or at least most of them, and we got a lot of other stuff to move out of here. But that is, we're working on stuff. And there's Harley Shop Dog.